Okay, problemo finalmente, last problem for us to do. Hooray. The running track at the right is a rectangle with a half circle on each end. Fi and Gh, which are line segments, are also diameters of those little semicircles. And we want to find the area inside the track to the nearest tenth. So, and I'm actually going to find it to the nearest thousandth because that's what I want you to get in the habit of doing. So, to do that, we are going to need to find the area of that rectangle, which ain't no thing because the area of a rectangle is just base times height, length times width, whatever you want to call it. And we have 212 for that length and 100 right there for that width. We know because of that diameter. So when we multiply those two together, we are going to get a 2, 1, 2, and we're going to steal two of those zeros. Woo! My pen would write. So we're going to get 21,200, and our units are square feet. Feet squared, wherever you want to say it. You should say square feet, though. Okay, well that's part of it, but I also need to figure out what the area of these two semicircles are. But luckily they have the same diameter, so two semicircles equal one real full circle, and the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared, r being the radius, which is half of our diameter, so our radius is 50. So our area here is 50 squared times pi, because pi r squared. So let's do some more mental math. 5 times 5 is 25. Then add those two zeros on from that bit, and we got 25,000 pi feet squared. So let's finish the mental math here and move into some calculator math and do 2,500 times pi. And we are going to approximate that value at 7,853.981. No, not a 1! Because the next numbers are 1, 6, so because of that 6, we're rounding that 1 up to a 2. If you were doing this to the 10th, though, you would have to round that to 7,854, because that 8 would round that 9 up to a 0, which would bump that 3 up to a 4, which is why I like 3 decimal places, even though that's super close to 7,854. It's not quite there. But anyway, we're not done with this problem yet, because we want to know the total area, which is going to be the combination of these two values, aka add them together. Do that, and you should totally not get this number that my calculator says to me right now, because I accidentally multiplied by 21,200, so I got this huge number. We want to add 21,200, so do that, and you should get 29,053.982. And I'm actually going to get rid of that box because I want to write my units, which again are square feet, which we write like that. And that is my final answer for the final problem.